I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm making one of my favorite calzones. It's going to start with roasted chicken right off the rotisserie. And I'm going to top that with some spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, artichoke hearts, and of course, a lot of cheese. It's going to be great, and it's right here on Austin Eats. First up, I need to make a rub for the rotisserie chicken. That's kosher salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and some paprika. Give that a little bit of a stir. Then I'm going to rub some olive oil all over the chicken, both sides, and then sprinkle my dry rub liberally across the chicken. Once that's done, this is ready for the rotisserie. It looks good, but it smells even better. Time to fire up the oven. Okay, the chicken is done. Let's cut this up and make a calzone. The filling for the calzone is chopped spinach, some artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, mozzarella, Asiago, Parmesan, some cream cheese, salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And I'm just going to mix this up in the stand mixer. Now I'm going to flatten out my pizza dough to about 12 inches in diameter, then start loading it up with my rotisserie chicken. Then I'm going to top that with that spinach cheese mixture that I just made. And then I'm going to fold it over and seal the edge. Cut off the extra dough and don't forget to cut a few vent holes on the top or it'll blow up like a balloon. The oven is ready. Let's push these coals back and cook a calzone. Some people think a calzone is nothing more than a folded pizza. I'll tell you, it's much more than that. And this one was fantastic. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out several times a week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Austin Eats.